Hello, and welcome to our first edition of Technology Intrusion Tips. I'm excited about this very first tip. We're going to start out simple, and I'm going to show you how to cover all of your devices that are being used on a regular basis now that we are quarantined in COVID-19. Now, most people have multiple devices. You have a computer with a camera at the top of the computer screen. Some of you might have purchased a camera that you sit on top of the computer, and those typically come with a camera cover if they're a newer model. Then most people have some type of tablet. This is a regular HP tablet. You might have an iPad, but they all come in various sizes, but there's a camera right here on the front, and then there's a camera right here on the back. And those cameras need to be covered. And then we have cameras on our cell phones. So there's a camera on the front of our cell phone, and then there's a camera on the back of our cell phone. And these cameras are vulnerable and given access and permissions to applications on our devices. And so we need to make sure that the permissions are set up correctly on our devices, our smartphones. You can set the app permissions. Now, your tablets, whether it's an iPad or an HP tablet, some type of PC tablet, Android based, then you have camera covers that you can use to cover these particular front and back of your tablets. And this camera cover, I got a 3-pack on Amazon. It's very small, but you can see it comes and you just would slide it over here, and that opens up the camera space, and you slide it back and it'll close up the camera space. And it will fit on your tablet over the actual camera, like there. And it's an easy fit. And then sometimes when you go to trade shows, they'll give you a camera cover. This is one I found at a trade show. And I pick these up whenever I can, because when you change your devices, you need additional camera covers. But you can find these, find them on Amazon, or just Google camera covers for the particular type of device. This one comes with instructions. So you would remove the camera cover, and it has instructions about how to apply it. Simply clean the area and remove whatever sticker is on the back, but you can see that. And then you place it on this is a one for a larger computer. So you would place it there, stick it on, and then you'd be able to slide it back and forth, just like I slid mine back and forth. Because we don't want someone intruding on you, your children, while your devices are connected to the internet. So you need these camera covers. You need to keep them closed on all of your devices. Only open them up when you're doing a Zoom meeting or you're doing something that requires video, and keep them closed. And you need to safeguard your smartphones, whether it's an iPhone or Android. Go into the settings and make sure that applications, you know which applications have access to your camera. I hope this was valuable for you. This was our first technology intrusion tip. Very simple, but very important. Be on the lookout for our next technology intrusion tip. I'll bring on guests who will give you tips from business and industry, give you tips from learning, and I'll be giving you tips just to safeguard while we're on quarantine and overutilizing our technology. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube site and like this video. Thank you. Be safe and be well.